Look after your feet. Be good to your feet, and they will carry you through your younger years and your older years too. Keep them dry, keep them clean, keep them healthy, keep your toenails short. Give them shoes that fit them, because new feet cannot be bought. Shazen's Spa Additive for Feet is your go-to product to newer, better feet. So this is our Spa Additive for Feet. Look at those beautiful green crystals with tea tree naioli, peppermint, and witch hazel. It is analgesic, which means it helps with pain. It's antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial. Oh, and it just smells so divine. I can never open a jar without just giving it a deep, deep breathe in. It just is so fantastic. If you spend a long day on your feet, here is your answer. If you spend a long day with boots or closed shoes on your feet, this is your answer as well. Any aches, any pains, any scrapes, any bruises, just soak your feet. Take 10 mils, put it in a basin of water, and just sit there for 10 minutes and relax your feet. Then your feet will feel softer, they'll feel a lot better, and they will now be prepared for any product that you're going to apply after soaking your feet. Get your Spa Additive today.